class?
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you, teacher.
Good. So today we are going to learn math. But before starting our lesson, we are going to first do what? We are going to sing a very good song. The duck is going to swim in the water. Okay, let's start. 5 yellow ducks. 1, 2, 3, go.
5 yellow ducks swim in the water. 5 yellow ducks swim in the water. 5 yellow ducks swim in the water.
Swim, 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 swim. Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Very good. Now, today we are going to learn mathematics. We are learning math today. We are going to learn math. But before starting our lesson of today, let's remind ourselves about what we learned last time. Who can remind me what we learned? What did we learn last time? Yes?
Subtraction.
That is perfect. Very good. Last time we learned about subtraction without borrowing. Can we say that all of us together? Subtraction. All of us. 1, 2, 3, go. Subtraction without borrowing. That is correct. Last time we learned about subtraction without borrowing, and I want us to remember what we did. Let's do this as an activity to remind ourselves how we do this. If I have like 236 minus 124, let me see what we are going to do. When we are doing it, the simplest way to do it, we have to use what? We have to use the table of place values. Let me draw it here as well so that we can use it when we are doing it. We have, this is the place of ones. This one represent what? These ones are tens. Tens are written in this table here in this box. Then this one is representing 100. This one represents hundreds. That is correct. Now, what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn something called subtraction with borrowing. Subtraction with borrowing. Subtract. Number 1. Christella had 33 minus 8, and Christella said that is not possible. Now, when we are doing that, let me give you an example of what we do. Here, let me use the table of place value as we used it last time. Here, these are ones, these are tens, and these are hundreds. And Christella had 33 minus 8. And she said that it's not possible to do this. So, why? Look. We had, remember, look here, please. We had these 3 tens. 1, 2, 3 tens. They were there. And these 3 ones. Then when Christella did this, she said that 3, these 3, minus 8 is not possible. And if it is not possible, do you know what to do? Let me show you what to do. We are going to borrow from this. What I'm going to do, out of the other 3 tens, I'm going to borrow 1 10 to this side. Remember that today I had 3 only. Then I need more. Let me borrow 1. 1 is going to move from here to the other side. You see, when it comes here, it will find there all these. Then I'm going to put them together. Who is going to come and help me to count them, all of them together? Yes, Benjamin, come. Count them for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Do you see that when Benjamin gets 1 10 that I've borrowed here to ones, plus the other 3 ones which were there, he has 13 now. Is it possible for Benjamin to subtract 8 from 13? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now, Benjamin, you are going to get this 13 and take away or subtract 8. Remove 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Have those. So when Benjamin take away 8 ones from 13, we are going to see how many is he remaining with. How many are you remaining with?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Correct. Is that correct? Yes. Can we clap hands for Benjamin? Benjamin, you are super. Now, look here. This is what we do. Thank you, Benjamin. You can take your seat. When we find that we have ones that are not enough to take away or to subtract, we simply go to tens and borrow 1 10. We borrow the 1 10. Remember there were 3. If I borrow 1 10 to go to that side, I remain with the 2. Then 1 that I've borrowed, it comes here. That is 13. And Benjamin did this. He got 13 minus 8, and his answer was 5. Benjamin is the best. Then here we continue and say 2 minus nothing equals what? Equals
2.
Equals 2. Correct. That is 2. We are going to do our practices. We are going to do exercise in our groups where you sit. What we are going to do, we are going to sit in our groups, okay? Let me ask you. Turn around, sit in your groups, and we are going to do what? We are going to do an exercise. Write the questions in your books. Do it there. Just write it quickly. When you are doing it, you can use these counters. You count what, if you are doing like 5 minus 3, you can use 5 minus 3 and see what your meaning is. Write quickly. Write it quickly. Write it quickly and do it. Minus 4, yes, here 4 and 2. Yes, make a line. Say, what do you do here? You cancel this. You say this is 4. I'm coming. This is 4. Then 1 comes here. 12 minus this. Do it quickly. Are you done? Today, we learned how to subtract by borrowing. When you are subtracting, you first check if you have enough ones. If you don't have enough ones, you borrow from tens to make them much more. That's what we learned today. Help me and write this homework down. Homework. Subtract. So write this homework down in your books, please. Now, today, it was a very good day. You are going to go home and do this homework. When we meet, I will mark your book, and whoever does it correct will get something. Can you stand up and we sing the other song before closing? 1, 2, 3. 1 yellow duck. 5, 5. Swimming in the water, 5 yellow duck. Swimming in the water.
5 yellow duck. Swimming in the water.
Swim, 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 swim. Bye.